Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the objective types of question answers of chapter 14 standard 6 SS, and today it is the fifth lecture. Okay, during this period we will discuss about the objective types of questions. We have already learned fill in the blanks. Today I am going to discuss about true and false, match the pairs correctly, and MCQ. Okay. Now first one. Some seats are not reserved in election. Some seats are not reserved in election. Do you think it is true or false? Yeah, it is false. Okay, it is false. Why? Because some seats are reserved for women as well as the people who belong to backward class, SC, ST, like that. Okay, so some seats are not reserved in election. That is false. Okay. Second one, in our country, sorry, our country is made up of cities. False. Okay, that is also false. Third one, in the post-independence years, discrimination is gradually decreasing. Post, after independence. Okay, after independence, yeah, slowly it is decreasing. So it is true. Why? Because of the right to equality. Okay, all are equal in the eyes of law. Okay, constitution. So slowly discrimination is decreasing. Okay, now even equality means not only in a caste, even religion and even gender also, male and female all are equal. Okay, we are not giving more right to the men and less right to women. No, my dear student, all are equal in the eyes of law, constitution. All religions are given equal importance in our country. All religions are given equal importance in our country. Is it true or false? Yeah, good. It is true. Okay. All religions are given equal importance in our country, and India is a secular country. So here all religions are equal. Not even a single religion is higher, not even a single religion is lower. And we can say India is the land of many religions. Okay, we can say like that also, no problem. Okay. Then next one. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. Yeah, true. Okay, unity in diversity. Here I am making box so it becomes easy for you to write down answer. Okay, got it? Otherwise it looks like a one sentence, na? So I have made box. Next one, Kathak. Kathak dance is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. Kathak dance is the famous dance of Tamil Nadu. True or false? False. Okay, that is also false. Okay, next one. In Gujarat, the festival of Onam. In Gujarat, the festival of Onam is celebrating with great pomp. False. Okay, false. Why it is false? In Gujarat, Gujarat is famous for Ras Garba. Gujarat is famous for Ras Garba, Navratri. Now this is Navratri season, na? Okay, you will enjoy a lot, na? Okay. Next one, Konkani language. Konkani language is the language of Kashmir. Konkani language is the language of Kashmir. True or false? False, not true. Okay, it is false. Okay. Normally, Konkani language is spoken in many places of Maharashtra as well as in Goa. Okay, in Goa also Konkani language is spoken. Okay. Next one, Bharatnatyam is the famous dance of Kerala. Bharatnatyam. Do you think it is true or false? Okay, good. False. Okay, it is also false. Okay. Next one, in our country, in our country, in our country means India, there are people who have faith in four religions. Do you think four religions? Okay, wrong, false. Okay, we have faith in our religion. Okay. Next one, Hindi is our national language. Hindi is our national language. Hindi is our national language. True or false? Superb. Yeah, correct answer. You have to copy down these things in your notebook. I am also explaining match the pairs and MCQs also. Dear student, my next exercise is match the pairs correctly. Match the pair correctly. Okay, my dear student, when you write in examination, remember, when you write in examination, always go for what you are writing A side, next side, opposite side. You write down the correct answer. Many students, what they do, they draw lines. Okay, it is bad habit. Okay, it is not good. So when this option is there, write down the correct answer in the same line. No need to write down, no need to draw lines. Okay, remember. So always go for the correct answer in the same line. Okay, match the pairs correctly. Match the pairs correctly. Now, first one I have written Punjab. See here, Punjab, Odia, Gujarati and Tamil. These are called languages. These are called languages. Punjabi language, Odia language, Gujarati language and Tamil language. So these languages are spoken in which state? So Punjabi language is spoken in Punjab. Odia that is spoken in Odisha. My dear student, earlier it was said Orissa. Now it is said Odisha. Okay, remember. Okay, Gujarati language is spoken in Gujarat and in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, which language is spoken? So Tamil. Got it? Here four languages are written: Punjabi, Odia, Gujarati and Tamil, where they are spoken. Okay. Now see here. Again four I have written, 5, 6, 7, 8. There I have written which kind of people. People and belong to which religion. Okay. Now Islam is followed by Muslim people. Okay, Muslim people, they follow Islam religion. Okay. Then Hinduism means Hindu people. Okay. Sikhism means Sikh. Okay. And Zoroastrianism means Parsi. They are celebrating. Okay. So here languages are there. Here people and which religion is there. Here you will find dances. Next one is dances. Dance is there, belong to which state? Okay, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I have written here 9, 10, 11 and 12 dances and famous of which state? Okay. Now Onam. Sorry, it is not dances. It is a festival. Okay, sorry. Festival. Onam, Baisakhi, Ganesh Chaturthi and Ashadhi Duj. These are the festivals. And these festivals are celebrated in which state? Okay. These festivals are celebrated in which state? Onam. This festival is widely celebrated in Kerala. Onam, Kerala, Baisakhi. Baisakhi, that is widely celebrated in Punjab. That's I have written here Punjab. Onam, Kerala, Baisakhi, Punjab. Ganesh Chaturthi, that is in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi, we are also celebrating, but my dear student, it is widely celebrated in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi means Maharashtra. Asadi Duj, that is in Odisha. Okay, here I have written some festivals. Okay, and belong to which religion? Okay, here Christmas, Christian people they celebrate. Diwali, Hindu people, Diwali is celebrated by everyone. Okay, not only Hindu, everybody celebrate. But here I have written Hindu. Okay, next one is Eid. That comes in a Islam. Muslim people they follow, they celebrate. Muslim people they celebrate Islam religion. Okay, Mahavir Jayanti in Jain people, and Buddha Purnima, that is in both religion. Okay, dear student, my next exercise is choose the correct option. MCQ, multiple choice question. Options are given many, we have to choose one answer. Okay, choose the correct option. Now first one, due to what has India become a subcontinent? Due to what has India become a subcontinent? Options are given: specialities, strain, oddities, and diversities. Which is the correct answer? Here I have written correct answer: diversities. Okay, correct answer is due to the diversities. Due to the diversities, India has become a subcontinent. Okay, which language do the people of Karnataka speak? Which language do the people of Karnataka speak? Options are given here: Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. Okay, so Karnataka means which language? Correct, Kannada. Okay, in Karnataka, Kannada language, Kannada. Okay, Gummer is a well-known dance of. Gummer is a well-known dance of the people of which state? Gummer is a well-known dance of the people of which state? Options are given: Kerala, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. What is the correct answer? Gummer dance of Rajasthan, Ras Garba of Gujarat. Okay, these are well known. If you consider Rajasthan, Gummer. If you consider Gujarat, Ras Garba. Okay. By which right of the Constitution? By which right of the Constitution of Independent India? By which right of the Constitution of Independent India has untouchability been abolished? Abolish means to stop. Okay, abolish means to stop. Because of what? The untouchability is stopped. Okay, so here options are given. That is called right to equality. This right, the right to equality, this right gives us equality, means equal. Not even a single one is higher, and not even a single one is lower. Next one, which is the famous dance of Assam? Which is the famous dance of Assam? Kathakali, Gummer, Ras Garba, or Bihu? Yeah, correct. Bihu. And last one, which language do the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana speak? Which language do the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana speak? Recently, Telangana is separated from Andhra Pradesh. Recently only, okay, 1 or 2 years back only. Okay, so we can say, which language do the people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana speak? Options are given: Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, and Telugu. Which is the correct one? Telugu. In Andhra Pradesh, Telugu. Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. Kannada is spoken in Karnataka. And Tamil language is spoken in Tamil Nadu. You have to copy down in your notebook. Okay. Next time we will start a new chapter. Thank you.